Hello, ma'am. Hey, good morning. I'm Deputy Gasala with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. This is why you're being pulled over in the city of Lake Worth today. We're doing an operation for distracted driver, and you drove past me holding the phone with your right hand, manipulating that phone. I mean, I saw you with the phone in your hand.
Obviously not. So you want to just call this a day? Or?
I don't want to call it a day. You had a hand manipulating the phone.
Call it a day.
I thought I saw you with your right hand. You
so
had a
you
hand
didn't.
out. The right hand. I saw you manipulate.
So you didn't.
With the right hand,
you
perhaps
didn't.
not.
You're
right?
lying,
So
officer.
you
You're
didn't
lying.
see me with my right
Okay,
hand.
so are you
saying that you saw me with my right hand?
I know what I just said. I know what I just said. I'm asking you now. Did you or not have your phone on your hand?
I did not.
You did not have your phone in your hand?
I did not.
Hand to God, you didn't have your phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
The other hand to God, you don't have your phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
Cool. You have your driver's license, registration, and
Yes,
insurance
I do.
with you.
I think this is the current one.
People that have been in an Uber and
All right, ma'am. So you're gonna receive a citation for wireless communication device
What?
handheld while
Still
driving.
give her a
We gotta put the phone
citation.
down as we operate a motor vehicle.
Oh, and you
Okay.
put on there that you saw me with my right hand holding it.
I
Yes?
did not put that. No, if you want to take it to
But
court,
that's what you said when
Okay.
you pulled me over.
Yes,
Yes,
that's what I
that
said,
you
yes.
saw me holding my
I'm
device
not,
with my right hand.
I'm not disagreeing with you. Yes, that's what I said.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So if you want to take it to court,
And that's what you saw.
that's what I said.
That's
yes.
what you said you saw.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. If you
Okay.
want to take it to court, option 5 on the back of the ticket, that's how you take that ticket to court. Do you
Okay.
have any questions for me?
No, thank you.
Have a good day.
What? You know, this is where it gets serious for me. You know, this isn't just a funny mistake. It feels like a blatant violation of the Fourth Amendment, which protects us against unreasonable searches and seizures. For an officer to pull you over, they need legal probable cause, not a guess, not a hunch, and definitely not a fabricated story about a right hand that they immediately walk back. You know, when he realized he trapped himself in a lie, he immediately tries to pressure her into giving up her Fifth Amendment protection against self-incrimination. He starts badgering her with hands to God, you didn't have a phone, trying to bully a confession out of her to retroactively justify his bad stop. You know, by the end, he literally admit, I didn't put that on ticket, but that's what I said. You know, I used to fake reason to stop you. It backfired, but I'm punishing you anyway. You know what I mean? You know, my take, know your rights. Keep your cool just like she did. And let the dashcam do the talking, because out here, a bad badge will literally try to ticket you for the crime of having having hands, But there's an update. There's an update to this case. Following the video going viral online, public backlash intensified over the deputy's contradictory statement caught on camera. While monitor traffic citation like this rarely see official press releases from the department, drivers in this situation typically have the ticket dismissed in contested hearing because the officers recorded bodycam or dashcam contradicts their initial stated probable cause. But what are your thoughts about this video? It's kind of funny, but it's kind of alarming at the same time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's talk in the comment section. And if you want to support me, please donate on my Patreon. I'm out. Peace.